Hi, Ryan here with Forever Studios. So you just received your Forever Safe USB in the mail, and you're probably wondering, how do I view all my digitized media? No worries, I'm here to show you just how easy it can be. First things first, grab your computer and take your Forever Safe USB out of its case. And plug it into your computer like so. Then wait a second or two, and there you go. A little notification should pop up on your computer. Click it to view your files. There's your folder, filled with all your memories. You can now arrange your files however you want. If the pop-up did not show up, then just mosey on over to My Computer tab on your computer, and it should be there. It's really that simple. If you're still having trouble accessing your files, check out the link in the description. As always, we're here to help you create extraordinary. Hope to see you soon.